So the key with this is PV nylon. So what we've done here at TYR is we've taken 500 denier nylon Cordura and we've bonded it to 200 denier Kevlar correctional. So what that does is it creates a extremely high abrasion resistant product. 500 denier is standard 300 cycles of abrasion. PV nylon increases up to 4,041 in independent testing. It also has great characteristics for ballistic effect on the exterior of a vest, and then when you cut it, itself, you actually try to rip the material itself.
Wow.
It actually has a great tear resistance, about 780 feet per centimeter for tear resistance. So it creates a natural ripstop effect for the material itself. What this does, and you see the thinness of the material itself, what it does is standard pouches have been made of 1,000 denier and then down to 500 denier pouches for a long period of time. So what this gives us the ability to do is take a lot of the structural material that we have to typically put into pouches in our industry and just apply one ply of material. So, awesome. And you look at a lot of our pouches, like our M4 pouches here, we will literally take the engineering approach to a pouch. We'll typically use double layer of 500 denier nylon on the front face, and we'll use PV nylon, which is one ply of 500 denier with the 200 denier Kevlar correctional on the inside. So this pouch, as a competitor's pouch, will typically weigh anywhere between 0.275 to 0.35. This pouch here weighs 0.118, so less than 1/8 of a pound altogether. So in overall 8 pouches where you would use from an assaulter's kit standpoint, you typically cut, this is where ounces actually do add up to pounds, you literally cut a pound off the vest itself, a pound and a quarter on average. We've done an extreme amount of engineering on every single product that we do, both from a pistol standpoint, so we have the standard kind of pistols, M4 carbine, our shorties, our Happy Mags. Can you hear me one Happy Mags, please? Down to the Happy Mag pouch itself, to where now you have either both in a 5.56 or a 7.62 with a Kydex insert. It'd be comparable to where now you have that expedient mag that you can still reset whenever you're doing a tactical reload and things like that as well. Uses PV 500 on the outside as well. We've gone from anything from M4, 7.62, our sniper pouches both for Barrett and Remington, our AI pouches as well, down to grenade, flashbang, our assaulter's flashbang, down to the mutt pouch. Perfect example with the mutt pouch. The pouch that the mutt actually comes in from Leatherman is 0.67, or I'm sorry, 67 grams is what it actually weighs. Ours is 32 grams altogether. So we've cut more and stronger. So we've cut 50% of the weight out of the actual pouch itself.
Exactly.
Yeah. But we also do multicam, Ranger Green, and Coyote Brown as well, and we're getting into the ACU and for specific customers, AR-01 and things like that.
How about ATAC?
I haven't talked to the ATAC guys yet.
Canadian Supply.
So. And then we go into the medical pouches, general purpose pouches. So it's really the effect of how we actually look at the product and the material itself.
So it sounds like because you've got this material, you're not fighting the material like the old days.
Exactly. And it goes down this path of where we're actually able to add strength and abrasion resistance and cut resistance, as well as it has a great ballistic effect. On average, from what the ballistic side that we've tested, if you make a carrier out of PV, because of the front face of the Kevlar itself, what we've been able to increase is about 50 feet per second on average on a 9mm and 64 grain fragmentations. So what it does is it allows you to actually increase the ballistics that are actually in the soft armor systems themselves. We have a lot of manufacturers that are actually coming over. They're going to be buying PV nylon from us, and what that does is that gives them the ability to actually increase their overall ballistic capability and increase the strength of their carriers as well. So we're trying to be be here for other people in the industry, not just for ourselves. We can't do it all, but we're trying to take the approach of I've been in this industry for some time, obviously, and I'm trying to take the approach of trying to help our industry kind of increase performance overall.
It sounds like with the thinner material, the straps can be thinner, more flexible, more comfortable, yet stronger.
Absolutely.
And this is all made in Chandler?
All made in Peoria, Arizona.
Peoria, okay.
At our facility, we've got a 20,000 square foot facility, 72 sewers that are going nonstop.
Awesome.
And we've got a great staff there. Welcome to come by anytime. So.
We really appreciate it. We're just down in Tucson.
Yeah, most definitely.
Really appreciate it. Thanks for your time.
Thank you. Thanks, guys.